All right, well, we want to tell you about a little something called AMD Live, and here to bring it to you from AMD, please welcome Mr. Craig Cancienne to the stage. Come on up here, Craig. Craig, where are you? There you are.
How you doing?
Nice to see you. All right, we want to dig into AMD Live and talk about all the great capabilities it offers to extend Microsoft Media Center. But before we do, I understand there's a video to show.
Yeah, we've got a video. AMD Live is really a great opportunity for any of you who are selling to a consumer. So let's roll the video.
Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so that's a nice overview of a product that I think has a great role to play in the sales process. Is a really nice value-added piece, something these folks can keep in their pocket and play as they need to. Why don't you just tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. Yeah, it's like I mentioned, it's a great opportunity for any of you who are selling to a consumer. When you sell an AMD Live PC, you're selling a machine that will be compatible with today's multimedia apps and ready to give you a great entertainment experience into the future as well. So easy to set up, easy to enjoy. We've really made it easy and tried to add a lot of value through our entertainment suite, which we'll talk about. And you might ask, hey, what's the difference between this and the other Vive solution out there? So the AMD Live solution, is about entertainment anywhere. Whereas Vive is about premium content, really just in your home. So you'll be able to share and enjoy TV, music, photos, movies, anytime, anywhere, on the go, anywhere with the internet.
Okay, let's answer the basic questions. First of all, what is AMD Live literally? And I understand it's a collection of software products sort of brought together into one suite, right?
So our entertainment suite is absolutely just that. It's a great value add that you can offer your customers when you sell them an AMD Live PC. It really helps sell dual core. Customers might ask, hey, why do I need a dual core processor? Why do I need to spend a little extra money on this machine? So you can now respond with AMD Live and the entertainment suite. They know when they're getting a dual core processor-based system, AMD Live PC, that they can experience more, have a greater entertainment experience. And it's really based on these fundamental applications. So we'll go through each of them, but just a summary. I mean, you can access TV anywhere on the go. Compress video and files to share with others, or to stream across through the house, the home network, or to sync with your portable media player. So we can go into a few of these, I guess.
Okay, let's take a look. First of all, we have AMD Live Compress. This is one of the features inside the software suite, and I understand that this is basically the way to make the most out of that hard drive that you bought as part of your package, right?
Absolutely. Why save a few episodes when you can save them all, as the title says here. One of the great features of Media Center and an AMD Live PC with a tuner is you have the ability to basically record all your favorite TV programs, movies. Hey, do that and compress them down with AMD Live Compress. Does it automatically, formats the TV shows for your favorite portable media player, compresses your Media Center TV shows to a more efficient video format for streaming over a home network. Save as many as 10 times more TV shows or movies on the same hard drive.
Okay, so I love that. For efficiency, you really can't beat that. And hard drive storage is an issue everybody runs into the wall eventually.
Absolutely. And did I mention this application's free?
Yeah, I think we did, but it never hurts to say it again.
Yeah, guys, all of these applications, again, are free. You jump on the AMDlive.com website, and you can your customer with an AMD Live PC can download and utilize any of these applications, including AMD Live Compress.
Okay.
This is just a screenshot here of the 10-foot user interface within Media Center, that we know is AMD Live Compress.
Well, and I'm noticing how easy it is to use, that you don't have to know any of the coding terminology, you don't have to know how it works behind the scenes, you just have to say, I want you to do this, take this, and do this. And everything else happens behind the scenes.
Exactly. Grab the remote, kick back on the couch, through the wizard, enable your basic settings to utilize this application and all the others.
Okay, here's another one that I see being very valuable. That's on demand, especially for the road warriors out there who seem to be never home to watch the stuff they record.
Absolutely. So this is anywhere access, guys. Watch your local live TV, pre-recorded television, any of the video that you've got stored on your PC. Listen to the music. Stream your entire music collection to wherever you are in the world. So AMD Live on Demand is powered by Orb Networks. Really the application that we use to share all this media over the internet.
And that's really incredible. You can reach into your home PC, you can take all the media, the music, the photos, the movies, everything, TV, and just send it out to wherever you are in the world.
Absolutely. To your notebook computer on the go, to a computer at a friend's house, or to your Windows-enabled mobile phone as well.
All right, so you're starting to see how this answers the needs that people have the day after they buy the PC, right? They buy the PC, they take it home, they start to use it, and they go, well, this is great, but it only works when I'm home. What if I'm not there? And it's a great way to sort of anticipate the concerns or the things they'll want to do after they bring the PC home and say, don't worry, we saw this coming, we've already got the applications to make that work.
And it's all free.
All right, sounds pretty good so far. How about Media Vault? I hinted at this before. This answers that ever so popular question, how do I back my stuff up so if something happens to my original copy, I don't lose it forever?
Absolutely. So, have you ever had the customer who walked in there and they just lost all their precious family photos due to a hard drive failure or some other incident? Well, here's an opportunity to, sell a real application, a real application for backing up all that content that we know, known as AMD Live Media Vault. We're giving you 25 gig of free space on the internet. Simply drag and drop your precious photos and memory to a secure location out there on the World Wide Web. If your system gets hacked, you lose your photos, something happens to your hard drive, hey, they're backed up, they're out there. You can still recover the content, the precious content that you have.
So again, it's a great way for a system builder to say, don't worry, we've already thought of this problem. We know you don't want to lose your most precious digital files. We've already created a way for you to back them up, and you guys can take credit for that, right?
Absolutely.
All right, so let's check out another one. This one's called Log Me In, and again, it's dealing with remote access, but this time not to the media as much as the files on the PC.
Yeah, remote access to your PC, again, from anywhere in the world, files, programs, your bookmarks, basically anything that you've got on the PC. Log in, set your media center to record a TV program while you're on the road. Hey, I forgot to record that favorite episode of the sitcom or reality show. Log in and take care of it.
All right, so here we have another screenshot. So here you're actually looking at your own media center interface that you have at home through a browser window.
Remotely through a browser window over the web.
All right, sounds pretty nice. How about network management? This is network magic, rather. Very important for securing, setting up your home network, right?
Yeah, so again, we try to make this easy for consumers to try to teach them new usage models. And home networks are, becoming ever popular with broadband, wireless access. So this application, AMD Live Network Magic, attempts to make it easy for the consumer who has one PC or multiple PCs to connect their router, hook up remotely to other printers throughout the house, share files, manage that network so that it's secure. Again, through a very simple wizard graphical interface, you can do all these things with AMD Live Network Magic.
Okay, this sounds great. We've talked about applications that are very good at accessing your home content. How about taking that home content and actually packaging it and bringing it with you? How does that work?
Right, so AMD Live My TV to Go is the application that will automatically format your TV programs for your favorite portable media player, automatically synchronize that media player so that, hey, you're grabbing the portable media player first thing in the morning to get on a plane and fly somewhere, you've got your favorite TV programs with you. So why pay $1.99 to download them, whenever you can easily record them, compress them, and sync them to your favorite portable media player.
Okay, and again, I'm really struck by the interface here in Media Center. It's so simple. There's really nothing there. It's just, here's what I want, here's the media I want, and here's where I want it to go. You figure it out.
That's the idea. A few simple settings, an easy wizard to walk through, sit back on the couch with the remote, set it up, and you're golden.
All right, let's check out a couple more of these. One is Digital Courier. I know this is very valuable. I know we've all had situations where we've wanted to send somebody a file that's too big to email comfortably, or it gets bounced back, it doesn't work, and we need an alternative, and there's one built right in.
Yeah, surely we've all experienced this where certain users' Exchange server wouldn't allow, accommodate a certain size file because of settings, or couldn't get that large file to upload without timing out. So AMD Live Digital Courier allows you to do just that. Send your large digital files to anyone instantly. Full CD in a matter of minutes, up to 750 megabyte at a time. So videos of the kids to grandma, or allow the recipient to download for up to 7 days. Really is a powerful feature.
Okay, and here's, speaking of kids, here's another application that is probably very much on the minds of parents, which is, I want my kid to have access to the web, I want them to enjoy the internet, learn how to use it, but I just don't want them to go here, or here, or here. I want them to focus on the family fun sites, we'll say. So Kid Rocket helps.
So Kid Rocket, another part of the free AMD Live Entertainment Suite, allows the child to experience 13 predefined popular kid-friendly websites. You don't have to worry about them going to sites outside of these 13 sites. Also locks them off of the desktop. so they can't get into the desktop and delete files or do other things with the machines that kids love to do. Fun for the kids, safe enough for the parents, and Kid Rocket's a really great solution.
Okay, and the sites that they are directed to have lots of games, lots of activities, everything's free, so there's plenty for them to do on those sites, right?
Exactly.
All right, so if you want to promote AMD Live in your business, how do you do it?
So if you want to promote AMD Live in your business, these entertainment suite applications, we've got a great website that we're trying to educate consumers about new usage model for their PC, about the AMD Live usage model, and that's amdlive.com. You can go there, download the application, so point your consumer there after they buy the AMD Live Ready PC. We've also got CDs that are available through our Market Builder program, which we'll talk about shortly. You can order these AMD Live CDs to bundle them with the PC. It's something tangible for the customer to walk out the door with. We've got print ad templates, online web templates, all of these great marketing assets available through Market Builder.
And I just love that idea where you can look at the customer and say, hey, I know you're buying Media Center. I know exactly what you'll want to do tomorrow that Media Center doesn't quite allow, and I'm going to equip you in advance with the materials you need to do that. And that sends a strong message to the customer that you've got their best interests at heart and that you're giving them a little something special that they wouldn't get with somebody else.
Yeah,
right?
so the consumer feels rewarded. They're getting something more, something extra. The added value, the AMD Live package, the AMD Live Entertainment Suite. You're helping educate them about new usage models for their PC. Maybe solving a problem of a lost hard drive and not having backed that up. So these are great tools that you can really use to help sell PCs.
All right, sounds good. How does this sound, by the way? See value in this? See it being useful? Price is right too. I'm sure they'd agree. And amdlive.com is the place to find it.
Free, guys. It's all these entertainment applications are free.
Okay, we're going to get to one of my favorite parts of the show. This is AMD's foray into the living room to create a real device that belongs from the ground up in the living room that really does some amazing stuff. So why don't you walk us through home cinema?
So AMD Live, we've kind of taken it into the living room.